another video here on Sam's Crafty Castle. Today I have a super fun video featuring one of the newest crafty stamping, card making type subscription boxes around. This is the Hedgehog Hollow box, and I thought it was a really cool subscription idea, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it and then do an unboxing video for you. So the Hedgehog Hollow box is created by the lovely family behind the Hedgehog Hollow site, and I will make sure to have links down in the video description below to where you can find this box and her blog and all her social media and all that stuff. So what I thought made this box interesting was that it features a different company in every box. So this is her first box, and I only bought the one-off box, so I just signed up for this 1 month to try it out, and this first box is Lawn Fawn, and then she did and that's the February box, and then for March she did Little Darling Rubber Stamps, and I meant to do my subscription for March, but stuff came up and it didn't happen, so my subscription actually starts in May, because she's not doing an April box so that they can make some changes to the current setup since this is her first go round with this type of thing, which is fine. I don't really care, and I will just sit here and anxiously wait for May. So I had seen this box. I followed Hedgehog Hollow during CHA in January, and eventually discovered she was planning on doing the subscription box, and I've been in the market for a craft type subscription box for a while. I bought kits from Gina K every now and again, and I bought stuff from Simon Says Stamped and all that, but what really spoke to me about this one was that it was a different company every month. So this first month, like I said, was Lawn Fawn. You get a nice variety of product in all of the boxes, and the Lawn Fawn definitely sold me on the first one, but now I'm so excited to get May, June, and July. I did a 3-month subscription this time. So you got this. That was me opening the box. Now, I had opened the box before I filmed this video, so that's why the seal was already broken. But she wrote us everyone got a little nice handwritten note, and I don't know if that's something that'll continue or something she did just because it was the first box. Then you get a nice little card with everything that's in your box, and then you get a coupon code, sometimes more than one coupon code. I know the March box, I think, had 3 coupon codes in it. This one just had 1. And then we'll get into all of the goodies that are inside. So this box costs about $40 before shipping, and then the shipping depends on how many months you sign up for. I think it's like $4 if you do just month to month. Mine was like $11, I think, because I did 3 months. So everyone got a little twine pack from Lawn Fawn. I don't remember the one I got, but I loved it. This is a little year 8 fortune cookie set. Lawn Fawn comes out with a little birthday set every year to celebrate their birthday. So this is the year 8 one, which was a last minute addition to the box. Something got subbed out, but still very cute. The slide-on over semicircles, which I was really excited about because I have the other 2 slide-on overs, and this would have eventually ended up in my collection, so I already bought it. I don't have to think about it over the next couple of months as I start buying stuff. So I was very excited to see that and be able to complete my slide-on over collection, and I also knew we were going to make slider cards, which also was very exciting. Then we got the Some Bunny stamp set, which is really cute. I don't know if this is a stamp set I would have bought on my own, but having used it and finding it in this box, I loved it. I don't typically make Easter cards all that often, but this is not an Easter set. Short of the bunnies, if you could use all this stuff in there for anything, it doesn't have to be Easter. The Spring Sprigs set, this die scared me. That's something I normally wouldn't use, but I ended up loving it in the end, and I'll talk more about that later. And then you get a pack of a whole bunch of pre-cut pieces and dies and stuff to make the products that she sends you, or the projects that she does with you. A little candy, because who doesn't love a little candy? And then the rest of the pre-cut pieces for the different cards, and then a little sampling of Lawn Fawn's pattern paper. And I think I ended up using all of this in the projects. I don't know if that was the intention, but I did end up using all of it. And then, so part of this box is that you get 4 project videos, and Alexandra sends them to you in an email. And then I took a Saturday afternoon. Actually, I think I took a whole day on Saturday, and then these are just the card bases that she sends. And I think I took a whole day on a Saturday and just sat down, opened up the email, and sat down and just made all 4 cards. And it was a really awesome way to spend a Saturday. I was hesitant with this kit because I knew it was more of a project kit than a product kit when I signed up for it, and that's not usually my speed. I don't usually like kits that are like, here, this is to make these projects. Like, I don't know why, but it's just something that I don't usually go for. But I actually really enjoyed this. I enjoyed it a lot. I loved that Saturday that I spent making all the projects, and I'm going to show them to you. And it was just really, really fun. So I highly recommend this to anybody and everybody who's all, like, I don't know. It was just really fun. So this is the card we made with this spring sprig die. I'm obviously not going to show you how to make the cards we did, but I'm just going to show you what we did so you can see kind of what the projects are like. So that was really fun. And then this is the little slide on over bunny. I'm horrible at slider cards, so this one probably took me most of that Saturday I spent doing this, and you can see he doesn't slide very well. But that's my fault, not the die's fault or anyone else. I'm just not very good at those. So, but that was a lot of fun too, and I love the tips that she gives you throughout. Like, that uses the Bayou backdrop in a way I would have never thought to use it, and I just think that's really cool. This one was really fun too. It uses one of the new little hill dies, and this one I thought was really cool because, and this kind of came through on the other one too, but she used pattern paper to make the sky, which is not something I would have thought of on my own. This one is super cool because I'm going to open it up, and there it is. It's the Pivot pop-up card. So this is another thing. I was really excited because she told us in a sneak peek video, that we were going to make pop-up cards, or Pivot pop-ups. And I was really excited thinking we were going to get the Pivot pop-up die. So I'll admit, when I first opened the box, I was a little disappointed that it wasn't in there. We just got the one. But having made this card, I'm so glad we didn't get the die, because this thing is easy yet complicated, like so many interactive cards. And I don't know if I would use the die as often as I think I would. So I'm kind of glad that I was able to even just get this sample of it and say, okay, maybe this isn't as high on my want list as I thought it was. So I'm very grateful for that, and it really sort of sealed the deal for me on the sampling of product rather than the whole, like, just give me the dies. So those are the 4 different projects we made. I realized I love Lawn Fawn's pattern paper. I love their cardstock. I've always known I've liked the patterns on the pattern paper, but I've never really tried using it. I've never tried using their cardstock before. And long story short, I love it. And I definitely will probably be using it and purchasing some of my own as I use up some of the crazy stash that I have right now. It's such a great quality. The cards were fun. This box was amazing. It was a great way to try samples of stuff. Another die that we got that I probably wouldn't have gotten on my own is the quilted background die. I know it was on my list. Probably would have been at the bottom of my list, something I buy years and years down the road, or right before Lawn Fawn announced it was going to retire or something like that. But having used it on this card, we used it on the Spring Spray card, I want that die now. So it was a really cool way, and I realized to try out all the different things, and like I said, I'm going to be able to get to try out stuff from a lot of different companies that I haven't really tried out before. I was really looking forward to the March box, but like I said, I wasn't able to get that one because it was a company that I've always liked their images, but I've never tried their stuff. So, oh well. And next month, too, is a company I'm not super familiar. The May box is Pretty Pink Posh and Waffle Flower, which is the box that's available to buy right now. And have not used much of Waffle Flower stuff. It's not usually my style, but I'm still excited to try it because they do still have things that I like. And then Pretty Pink Posh, apparently we're getting this really cool sequin mix, and who doesn't love sparkly sequins? So overall, my review of the Hedgehog Hollow Box is that it's amazing. I think it's a great value, especially when you count in the coupon codes and the videos and stuff. I think it's a fabulous way to spend the day making all the projects. So I really hope you'll check it out and take a look at what Alexandra has to offer over the next couple months. And as they get their bearings with putting on a project like this, it does take a lot. So thanks, Alexandra, for such a great product. And I really am looking forward to getting the next 3 months worth of boxes. And thank you so much for watching. And I will be back in about 2 weeks with a project video, hopefully if I can get it filmed. So thank you so much for watching, and have a crafty day.